How to make Italian cioccolata and cioccolata ice cream. The journey to making authentic Italian cioccolata and transforming it into artisanal cioccolata gelato begins with the selection of the finest ingredients. In Italy, chocolate is not just a treat. It is an experience, a ritual, a celebration of flavor and texture. The heart of this recipe lies in the quality of your chocolate. Choose high-quality dark chocolate, rich, aromatic, and with a hint of bitterness that will balance the sweetness of the final creation. As you break the chocolate bars into pieces, listen to the satisfying snap and appreciate the glossy surface of each shard. This is the foundation of your cioccolata, a promise of depth and intensity in every sip and spoonful. Now imagine the gentle pour of fresh milk into a saucepan, its creamy whiteness inviting you to begin. The milk is the canvas upon which the chocolate will paint its masterpiece. To the milk, add unsweetened cocoa powder, a spoonful at a time, followed by sugar, enough to sweeten but not overpower, and a touch of cornstarch. The cornstarch is essential. It will give your cioccolata its signature thickness, creating a texture that is luxurious without being heavy. Take your whisk and begin to blend, dissolving the cocoa and sugar, ensuring there are no lumps. The mixture becomes smooth, and you can already smell the rich aroma of chocolate mingling with the sweetness of milk. Place the saucepan over gentle heat and watch as the magic unfolds. The milk warms, and your whisk stirs steadily, maintaining a silky consistency. Now, add the broken pieces of dark chocolate, letting them sink into the liquid. As the chocolate melts, it transforms the milk into a deep, glossy pool. The mixture thickens gradually, becoming almost pudding-like, but still pourable. This is the hallmark of true Italian cioccolata. Thicker than conventional hot chocolate, yet not quite a dessert. Taste it and feel the warmth envelop your senses, the chocolate lingering on your palate with a bittersweet finish. Pour the cioccolata into steaming cups, each one inviting and decadent. Set them on a rustic Italian table, a wooden surface worn smooth by years of family gatherings and laughter. Serve alongside biscotti, their crispness the perfect contrast to the velvety cioccolata. As you sip, imagine a chilly morning in Florence or Rome, where the ritual of cioccolata brings comfort and joy. The richness of the drink is balanced by the simple pleasure of dunking a biscotto, letting it soak up the chocolate before enjoying it in one perfect bite. But the journey does not end here. The transformation from cioccolata to gelato is an act of culinary alchemy, turning the warmth of winter into the cool delight of summer. Begin with eggs. The yolks are golden, symbolizing the start of something special. Whisk them gently in a bowl until they become pale and creamy, a lightness that will translate to the final gelato. Slowly, pour in the hot cioccolata mixture, taking care not to scramble the eggs. This step requires patience and precision. The hot chocolate must be added gradually, whisked constantly, ensuring a smooth custard-like base. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook gently until it thickens further. The custard should coat the back of a spoon, silky and rich. Remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Then, cover and chill in the refrigerator for several hours, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. The cold transforms the custard, intensifying the chocolate and creating a texture that is both creamy and light. Once chilled, pour the mixture into your gelatiera, the traditional Italian gelato machine. As the gelato churns, watch as it transforms from liquid to luscious swirls. The machine works its magic, incorporating air and freezing the mixture evenly, resulting in a smooth, velvety gelato. The anticipation builds as you see the creamy texture take shape, each swirl a testament to the care and craftsmanship of Italian gelato making. Finally, it is time to serve. Scoop generous portions of cioccolata gelato into waffle cones and cups, each one a celebration of chocolate in its purest form. Top with delicate shavings of dark chocolate, adding a touch of elegance and extra flavor. The gelato is cold, refreshing, and intensely chocolatey, an echo of the cioccolata from which it was born, but now transformed into a treat for warm afternoons and sunny days. Imagine enjoying this gelato in an Italian summer landscape. Perhaps a sun-dappled piazza, a view of rolling hills and cypress trees, or the lively buzz of a city square. The world seems to slow down as you savor each bite, the chocolate melting slowly on your tongue, the coolness soothing and invigorating. The gelato is not just a dessert, it is a memory, a tradition, a taste of Italy itself. Making authentic Italian cioccolata and cioccolata gelato is about more than following a recipe. It is about embracing the spirit of Italian cooking, choosing the best ingredients, respecting tradition, and taking the time to create something truly special. The process is immersive, engaging all your senses from the sound of chocolate breaking to the aroma of melting cocoa to the taste of the final creation. Whether you are warming up with a cup of thick, rich cioccolata or cooling down with a scoop of chocolate gelato, you are partaking in a tradition that spans generations. Italian cioccolata is comfort, luxury, and nostalgia all in one sip. Its transformation into gelato is a celebration of innovation and artistry, proof that the simplest ingredients, when treated with care, can become something extraordinary. So, gather your ingredients, embrace the process, and indulge in the flavors of Italy. Let the chocolate speak for itself, the milk provide its creamy embrace, and the gelato transport you to sunlit afternoons and laughter-filled evenings. This is more than just a recipe. It is an invitation to awaken your senses and savor the beauty of Italian culinary tradition.